After my last video talking about how the satellites and ISS are nothing but a fabrication, nothing but a hoax, talking about how ISS, there's no actual footage of it being constructed, I looked a little bit further. Let's take a look here at NASA's official YouTube channel with NASA Johnson. Take a closer look here with the supposed breakthrough with the first manned space station in supposed space. And all we get is this crap, this fake animation. What, do cameras not work in space? What's up with this? Well, they're supposed constructing these engineers and these astronauts. Why didn't they take video footage? What is this garbage? Give me a break. Going all the way back to 1875. We have all these images of the Statue of Liberty being constructed in France. Amazing. Where are the images of ISS being constructed? You get this garbage here. Nothing but fakery. Nothing but C.G.I. They're not doing anything. Okay? Look at this. Complete garbage. This little animation. NASA ISS construction. They give you this. What's up with that? Such a supposed historic event. With the construction of this space station. Supposed space station. Which does not exist. And what do you get? Nothing but garbage. What is going on here? I showed before with all these images of the Titanic being constructed. All these detailed images going back to the early 1900s. But again, when it comes to ISS, we get nothing but garbage, C.G.I., fakery, and that's it. No convincing the sheep. Again, they love their fairy tales. They love their delusion. Their deluded reality. They love their matrix that they're locked into. There's no stepping out. And it's sad taking a look at this footage once again. People see this, know it's animation, still do not question this. Something seriously wrong with you. No critical thinking skills, just want to believe. Even if you don't believe in the flat earth, you gotta say, what the hell is this? What the hell's going on, NASA? All of our money being spent, with your projects, your supposed space projects, and this is all you can give us? Trillions of dollars spent, and all you can give us is animation? Something is seriously wrong. You people question nothing and just believe. You want to talk about conspiracy theorists? This is a conspiracy right here. Where is the damn footage of construction of ISS? Doesn't exist. Because ISS doesn't exist. And don't tell me, once again, just because you see a dot in the sky with your binoculars or a telescope, it's real. Show us some real footage. Don't have it. Doesn't exist. Period.
She blinded me with science. She blinded me with science. Fell in geometry. Lies, 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 yes.
Do I have to catch you out to know what's on your mind? Well, Cleopatra died for Egypt.